Hey everyone, this is Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful 2018 Nissan Titan Pro-4x Luxury Edition. And this one over here is a custom build that we put a rough country lift kit and big tires on it. Starting with the keyless entry over here. Premium leather interiors with Pro-4x badging on both seats. And on the driver's side, you'll find electronic adjustments, and you also have the memory seat function over here too. So let's jump inside, show you how many features you have in here. For the safety and convenience, you also have your blind spot sensors. And this one over here is your 4x4 for your differential lock, downhill assist. And that's your 4x4 controls over here. So if you want to put it in 4-wheel high or 4-wheel low, you can adjust it over here. So keyless entry with push button start. And that's your key fob. That comes handy with when you have your remote start inbuilt on it. Heated and cooled seat for the front passenger and the driver's side over here. Heated steering wheel with the blind spot detection system and the parking sensors at the back with the traction control over here. And for your infotainment system, you have a huge touchscreen infotainment system that comes ready with inbuilt navigation system, Sirius XM, and you also have FM, AM, CD aux. And for your camera over here, you have 360-degree camera, so that shows you all around the vehicle. And if you put it in reverse, it's going to show you the guidelines if you're trying to hook up with the trailer too. Look at this. When you move your steering wheel, it's going to show you where you're going to align your parking. That helps a lot. And for your storage space over here, you have a huge center console compartment over here. And that's your HomeLink garage door opener over here too. So you can connect your home garage door opener with the truck over here. So you don't need that remote from that. So let's go at the back seat, show you how many features and options you have at the back. So here you are. 60/40 split seats, and this one over here is a crew cab edition, so that's the maximum space you can get at the back over here. And these are the heated seats at the back as well. And you also have a 120-watt adapter if you need to change, if you need to charge your phone or everything like that. And these are 60/40 split seats, so if you just push them up over here, you have extra storage space down. And if you want a little bit flat storage space, you can just use this like that. And same goes on the other side too. And 3-inch rough country lift kit on it with the 20-inch big BFG tires with Helo Alloys on it. And for the entertainment feature, I just forgot to mention that it also has the RockFord FosGate premium sound system that is only available for the higher trim levels. Let's go at the back over here. And these are your parking sensors at the back, and that's your side step for the easy access to your trunk. And you also have like the drop down mode over here, so if you just using your tailgate and opening it up, it's gonna slowly come down. And 5 strap bars over here, 1, 2 and 3 at the front over here, and 2 on the bottom of the bed over here. And this is also 4-layer coated for the tar for your bed liner. And that's your tow hitch over here with the 4-pin harness and the 7-pin harness down here. So that's a fully loaded 2018 Nissan Titan Pro-4x Luxury Edition. And if you want to take it for a test drive, if you want to custom build it according to your specifications, like you want to put a lift kit on it, you want to put more bigger tires on it, we can do that for you. Just give me a call or text for quotations and specifications at 778-890-5544. And thank you for watching this video. This was Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George.